Instagram stories part 2 on how to get leads in your DM using Instagram stories stickers. Today I'm sharing how to get those leads into the DM using those stickers. My name is Sandy and I'm a social media coach to entrepreneurs, and what I do is I teach people to use, to create high performing content and a socially global presence to distribute it out. Anyway, so today we're going to go straight into the training because I'm hoping it's not going to last us too long, but we know that sales do not happen without conversations. And it's been proven that you can have these conversations on social media. And it's pretty easily done using Instagram and Instagram stickers. I should say Instagram stories, and then using the stickers on the stories. So Instagram gives us such a great option in these stories with these stickers. And so for today's training, I mean, there's so much. There's really so much that we can get into, but for today's training, two things. We're just going to talk about two of the many stickers that you can use, but they're the ones that I consider to be the most effective, the ones that I get great conversion from. All right, so when it is that you upload a story to your story in Instagram, whether it be a photo, you're taking a photo, you're shooting a video. Good. Hey, Shirley and Melissa. Whether you're uploading that from your gallery, once you do that, you have this icon, and you have a few icons in the upper right-hand corner of stories. And there's going to be a square icon with a smiley face, and that's going to open up the treasures of all the stickers that you have available to use to you. So when you do open that up, I'm going to stick with right now, number one, the question sticker. You guys, this is an invaluable sticker. Basically, you're prompted to ask a question to the viewer that you have, right? So let me give you a little bit, and you can obviously customize it. You can even customize the color of the box, all of that good stuff. You could brand, right? But what I'm seeing, like let's say in real estate, I'm seeing agents that are going to homes and they are recording, they're getting the video of the home because the homeowner may not want to have all these people walking through right now during a pandemic, but also for marketing purposes. So they're sharing snippets of this on their Instagram stories. So they prompt people using that question sticker, asking them something really simple as, would you want your home walked through during the pandemic? Now, what's awesome about this is, first of all, that question touches emotion, and emotion is what gets people to respond, right? So what happens is when it is that the viewer that's viewing that story goes to answer that question, they're tapping on that question box and they're coming right into the DM. Your lead is in your DM, and what you do with it from here on out is super important. You are going to create that relationship. You're going to start talking to them just like you would talk to them in a conversation. Hey, Kristen. So you've got your lead right there. People don't realize that it takes too much. Oh, it doesn't take an ad, although ads are very good, to have a lead. You can get a lead in your story. Answer the question. Start building a relationship with this person, right? How easy was that? You just got your lead into your DM. So now it's up to you what you're going to do. Voila! How easy, right? Okay, so whatever their answer is to that question that you've asked, it's your opportunity to build that relationship by having that conversation. The other thing, other businesses, so let's just say, I did just use real estate for an example. I love to use real estate for an example, but let's say you're in another business. So a question could be, what's your current skincare routine like? Many of us aren't wearing on a regular basis makeup, but now let's switch it off. Let's pivot. Let's do skincare. We are still taking care of our skin, right? Would you like tips on how to keep sanitized without over-the-counter hand sanitizers? You don't even have to ask a question. Would you share, what's a simple snack that you're eating right now that you consider healthy? What YouTube videos have you been binging on? So it's so many questions, but make it pertinent to the content that you're sharing in your story. A super golden nugget here is if you have a valuable checklist, like a checklist, like how to hack something, how-tos, something that's super valuable to your ideal client avatar that they would trade their email email for, because guess what? You can build your email with this question sticker. So do you want that checklist? Do you want the step-by-steps on how to make the recipe? Do you want that stuff? Drop your email in the box, and then that comes directly to you. And now, of course, you need to tell them they're going to be added to your email list. They have to accept that. But you could be building your email with it. So that's a super golden nugget. So the next sticker that I like to use is the polls sticker. And now this sticker prompts you to create a question, and they answer yes or no to, which you can customize as well. It could be like, you can change the yes or no to be whatever type of an answer. Okay, so this sticker doesn't lead them directly to your private DM, but it actually shows like on screen the percentage of people that said yes and the percentage of people that said no. But when you look at your analytics, meaning looking at the people who have viewed your story, right there it'll say who said yes and who said no. But like I said, you can also customize that yes or no. So you ask your question and you can have it say, I'm with ya, or heck no, that's disgusting. So you can make it fun. You can make it more on brand, more you. So anyway, so those are the things that you can do. And what I suggest you do is with these, and any comment that comes into your DM, is acknowledge that they've answered the question, because then that is you taking leadership to create this conversation in the DM. So once you've seen that they answered yes, you'll be like, oh my gosh, thank you for answering that poll. Isn't it funny? I agree with you because this. Or if you have nothing genuine to say, like you would in a conversation, you just say thank you. Simply thank you for answering yes or no in the question. Anyway, so there's so much more to it, but I wanted to make it, I can't even see how long I've been live, but I didn't want to take up so much time, but I wanted to show you guys the fact that there are ways to get people into your DM using stories, stickers, and that just seems crazy, but it's true. So in the comments, I'm going to share with you guys my Calendly link, because what I'm offering you guys is a coaching session. If you want to go more into Instagram, more into the stickers or anything, if you have yet to have a coaching session with me, I'm giving away complimentary 45-minute coaching sessions, and I'll put that link in there when I'm done here with the live stream, and that way you can schedule your time in with me. Next week, we're going to tackle part 3 of Instagram, and that's going to be using stickers so that you could have more people see your story and draw more people to you. So with that, you guys have an amazing Monday, amazing week, and just reach out if you need anything. Have a good one. Take care.